Experts at Children's Hospital Colorado say that the youth mental health crisis of our state is not going away anytime soon. Last year, the hospital system saw more than 7,000 pediatric ER visits, which is a 1.73 increase from 2023. Mental health experts tell us that suicide is still the leading cause of death for children starting at age 10 in Colorado. Experts say that kids are struggling and they've seen higher rates of anxiety, depression, and thoughts about suicide. Now, this comes as Children's Hospital Colorado says that the mental health of parents has also reached a level of national crisis. The hospital system is addressing this tonight by offering tips for parents during the first Youth Mental Health Town Hall. Fox 21's Austin Sack joins us live in the newsroom to explain what resources are available for children and their caretakers. Austin.
Scott, following the COVID-19 pandemic, Children's Hospital Colorado declared a state of emergency for pediatric mental health. Experts tell me the crisis is not fading away, but there are many resources available.
We cannot treat kids without working with parents.
Children's Hospital Colorado is tackling the ongoing mental health crisis by hosting town halls, providing families with direct access to clinical experts on the front lines.
Just the very nature of being a parent or a caregiver really increases the emotional experience. They are being taxed emotionally and cognitively just much more than their non-caregiver counterparts.
When it comes to addressing the mental health of both kids and parents, experts remind caretakers of the familiar airplane safety rule: put your own mask on first before helping others.
Caregivers are the pillars of their families for their kids, and so they can't support their kids if they're not also taking care of themselves.
During Wednesday's online town hall, health experts shared when is the right time to take a step back and focus on the positive.
Acknowledging these stressors that are happening, these conflicts that are happening, these cycles that are happening, and also really trying to harness and find strengths in our kids, in ourselves, in the life events we've had and the things we've learned over time.
Health experts also discussed how to choose coping strategies that fit into daily life, like using an ice pack.
This actually activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which then helps us to calm down when we're experiencing really intense emotions.
If parents are feeling overwhelmed while caring for their kid, experts suggest focusing on a simple task like identifying a set number of items in a room of a specific color.
It can be kind of a nice reflective exercise for parents and caregivers.
They also recommend considering joining a parent support group for additional help.
It's not a one size fits all. So what works for you might not work for another family. So it's really important to be trying out different things and figuring out what coping strategies work for you.
These town halls are free and open to the public. Health experts hope that they will not only support kids' mental health, but also the well-being of parents and caregivers themselves. Reporting live in the newsroom, Austin Sack, Fox 21 News.
Some good advice. Thank you, Austin.